The Artemis II astronauts are more than halfway to the moon, but the further into space they travel, the higher the risk of radiation exposure. Fox News reporter Jonathan Siri shows us why missions just like this could be what the doctor ordered.
3, 2, 1, booster ignition. And liftoff.
The Artemis II astronauts are on a mission to go further into space than any human has gone. And while the historic mission is a key step in NASA's goal to develop settlements on the moon and possibly Mars, it will also serve as an important step towards studying the effects of space travel on the human body.
The moon mission itself is a whole new territory for space medicine. The Mars trip will be leaps and bounds beyond that.
While in space, the 4 astronauts are facing a higher exposure to radiation from the cosmos and the sun in the form of solar flares.
Radiation is something that we're very interested in learning everything we can about, because it's going to be the thing that we're going to have to protect our crew health, our crew systems, and all of our equipment from.
This mission could transform space medicine, with scientists unlocking new insights on how to protect astronauts against radiation on future missions.
We have a payload called the Avatar, which is basically a sample of human tissue that we're going to expose during the mission to that radiation, and we'll get a lot of really good data back.
And as NASA looks to sustain life on the moon, it opens up a need for medical infrastructure there. At UCLA, the Space Medicine Center is training doctors to eventually practice medicine in space.
As we start going towards these missions where you can't just abort back to the Earth and go to a hospital, we're going to have to send up physicians on these missions to do everything from minor emergencies to even potentially up to major surgeries.
The Artemis II crew is expected to fly around the far side of the moon on Monday. In Houston, Jonathan Siri, Fox News.